A new clinical trial for breast cancer patients is starting right here in southern Colorado. The research could drastically shorten the course of radiation therapy. The first person to try it is a patient from Colorado Springs. KRDO News Channel 13's Bonnie Silkman shows us why she is Colorado strong.
It was definitely a shock. They sat me up on the table and said, "We think you have cancer."
Sarah DeBoard was diagnosed with breast cancer in February. Although it has changed her life forever, she is not letting it stop her from her true passion.
Some of the care team here thought that I was crazy when I said I wanted to run a marathon during chemotherapy.
And not just any marathon, she ran the Boston Marathon, all while going through treatment.
It sucks sometimes, but I have to get it done.
DeBoard is running in yet another race this weekend, all thanks to a new clinical trial which shortened her radiation treatment.
So when I met Dr. Ridings, I said that I had to be done with radiation by October 13th, and she said, okay.
Sarah would have had 6.5 weeks of radiation, and instead she had just under 4.
Thanks to the shorter course of radiation and less visits to this machine, DeBoard is now cleared to do what she loves.
I've always identified as a runner, and so it is really important to me to get that aspect of my life back.
The new clinical trial could lead to a nationwide change in standard practice, potentially benefiting generations of patients to come.
That's the way we move medicine forward. The next patients that come through in 5 years or 10 years are going to be benefited by Sarah's participation in this trial.
Participation that's allowing DeBoard to meet many more of her own personal goals. In Colorado Springs, Bonnie Silkman, KRDO News Channel 13.
Heart of a champion right there. The clinical trial funded by the University of Colorado Cancer Center is available to patients across the UC health system. Trial participants with node-positive breast cancer will receive just 15 to 19 treatments instead of the usual 25 to 33 treatments.
Another story of success every year.